and everyone here. I may not know all your names, pero please be assured na I appreciate your invitation for this event. So, thank you for the introduction. I think siya rin yung nag-intro sa akin kahapon. So, nasabi ko yata. Ay, di ba? May na-memory ka. Anyway, so, parang to keep this short na lang siguro kasi I don't think there's anything I could say na hindi na nasabi before. So, I commend yung initiatives ni Mr. Wilfredo here for giving more activities, sir. Good evening. Thank you. I admire yung activities na ginawa niyo. Madami yun. And if I remember correctly, kasama kami dun sa bowling. I think nagkaroon ka na ng sentiment na huwag na kaming pasabihin sa bowling. Kasi parang the thing is parang dapat sa akin po sa lang